so we just walked down here, and a tree was, like, flew out of the ground. And this is a huge pine tree. I mean, it's a whole dang tree.
None of it got pulled out of
And it was just from this crazy one we're getting.
Yeah, you can probably hear it right now.
But it for real, like, got ripped out of the ground. Oh my god. And there's people who actually live here, but I think they're not home.
They're not, but when they get here, I don't know how they're gonna
Those people are.
Oh my god, it's freaking crazy.
Oh my god. And this is a tree we used to climb here in summer. I mean, it broke like pieces. All of them. It's just because of this wind.